For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an appliance repair business is a practical venture with low startup costs, strong demand, and the potential for recurring income. With free AI tools now widely accessible, you can streamline the process of launching your business, from planning and branding to marketing and customer support, without needing to hire expensive consultants. This guide walks you through each step and shows you how to make AI work for you at every stage of the journey. Step 1. Research your market and define your niche. Before anything else, you need to understand your local appliance repair market. Use AI to gather insights about your area, your competition, and the types of appliances most commonly in need of service. Free AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Trends are extremely useful here. Ask ChatGPT to help you identify a profitable niche with a prompt like, "What are the most in-demand appliance repair services in your city?" You can also ask it to analyze competitors with list common services and pricing of appliance repair businesses in city or zip code. Google Trends can show you what types of appliances, refrigerators, washing machines, dryers, etc. people are searching to repair in your region. This information helps you choose your service focus and shape your offerings accordingly. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI. Once you know your market, the next step is to put together a business plan. ChatGPT can help you draft a full plan, including your mission, goals, services, pricing, and financial projections. Use this prompt. Create a business plan for a local appliance repair company that focuses on servicing refrigerators, ovens, and washing machines. Target customers are homeowners and landlords. AI tools like Notion AI or Canva Docs also allow you to organize your business plan visually and presentably if needed. Notion AI can help you break down sections into manageable tasks and keep your plan updated as your business evolves. Step 3. Name and brand your business with AI tools. Branding starts with a good name. You can ask ChatGPT, suggest 10 brandable business names for a professional appliance repair company serving your area. You can follow up with, give me slogan ideas for chosen name that highlight reliability and affordability. Use Loca, free with limited features, or Canva to create a logo. Canva's AI-powered design assistant helps you auto-generate brand kits, including fonts and color palettes that match your business name and tone. Type, design a professional logo for an appliance repair company named Business Name with a modern and trustworthy style. Step 4. Register your business and set up operations. Check with your local government for licensing requirements. You might need a business license, liability insurance, and possibly certification depending on the appliances you service. While this step requires real-world action, AI can help you prepare by listing out your needs with a prompt like, list the permits, licenses, and insurance required to operate an appliance repair business in your city-state. Once that's handled, use free AI tools like Trello plus AI plugins or Notion AI to organize your day-to-day operations. These tools can help you manage appointments, track customer information, and set reminders. Step 5. Learn the technical skills or hire help. If you're not already experienced in appliance repair, you can use free YouTube tutorials and guides. AI tools like Perplexity AI can direct you to specific videos or courses that best match your learning needs. Try a prompt like, where can I learn to repair refrigerators, washers, and dryers for free? If you prefer to hire, use ChatGPT to write a job ad. Write a job listing for a part-time appliance repair technician in city with 2+ years of experience. Step 6. Build a website and set up online presence. You don't need to hire a web designer to get online. Use free tools like Wix, Google Sites, or Card. You can ask ChatGPT to help with the website content using a prompt like, write homepage content for an appliance repair company in city, including a call to action and a brief description of services. Then ask, write an FAQ section for an appliance repair company that services refrigerators, ovens, and washing machines. For SEO-friendly content, follow up with, What are the best keywords for local appliance repair services in city? You can also use Canva to generate social media graphics and banners for Facebook and Instagram to give your online presence a professional look. Step 7. Set up free marketing campaigns with AI. Marketing your services doesn't have to cost much if you use free AI tools strategically. Begin with local SEO by claiming your Google business profile and optimizing it with AI-written descriptions and keywords. Write a Google business profile description for an appliance repair business that highlights trust, speed, and affordability. Use ChatGPT to develop a marketing plan. Create a free marketing strategy for a new appliance repair business in your city with a monthly budget of $0. It may suggest techniques like using Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, Craigslist, and Google Maps optimization. For social media content ideas, give me a 30-day calendar of social media posts for an appliance repair business. Use Canva's AI design assistant to create the images and ChatGPT to write the captions. Step 8. Manage customers and schedule with AI tools. AI-powered scheduling tools like Calendly or TidyCal, both have free tiers, can help customers book appointments. Integrate these with Google Calendar and use Zapier with free automations to set up confirmation emails and reminders. Use ChatGPT to write customer follow-up messages. Write a polite message asking for a Google review after completing an appliance repair job. You can also use it to craft professional replies to online reviews or customer complaints. To track jobs and customer info, Notion AI or Google Sheets plus AI plugins can help you build a basic CRM system. Create a simple CRM spreadsheet to track customer name, contact info, type of service, date of job, and amount paid. Conclusion. Starting an appliance repair business is more accessible than ever with the help of free AI tools. From creating your business plan and branding to marketing and customer management, artificial intelligence allows you to save time, reduce costs, and appear highly professional even as a one-person operation. By following these steps and using the right AI prompts and tools along the way, you can launch a solid business with minimal upfront investment and set yourself on a path towards sustainable success. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.